Hello, and thank you for joining me today. My name is Wendy Lee, and you can find me at CreativeLeeYours.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in the US, and very excited to be sharing with you today a sneak peek of our November Cake Celebrations Cultivated Creativity DIY Paper Crafting Kit. So, what is Cultivated Creativity? Well, in my opinion, it is the best subscription kit out there, right? So we include all kinds of goodies. We curate a beautiful kit for you that is jam-packed full of products that you're going to use to create your projects. Plus, you're going to have plenty of leftovers to do additional things with, right? We do all the hard work for you, right? We do all the design work, which takes so much time, right? So we want you to have the easy button and have some stress-free crafting. And so we're doing that all for you. We design 4 cards and 1 not a card every month, all featured around our featured stamp set. And many times it's a bundle, a stamp and die bundle, or a stamp and punch bundle, like it is this week or this month. So this month we are featuring the Cake Celebrations stamp and die bundle. So this is one that is going to be released on November 5th of 2024 as part of our online exclusives products. So the one thing to know about online exclusives is they are available while supplies last. So while you don't necessarily have to use our featured bundle to recreate your projects, you can use what you have at home, especially if you've got another cake set, right? But you're going to want to have what we're using because the projects are amazing and you're going to want them to be the same. Of course, you can put your own twist on them, right? So each and every month, we really want you to fully experience your stamp set. And so we like to bring in techniques, simple fun folds, and just things that are going to get you crafting and either revisiting some things that you might have not have done in a while, or learning some techniques or working with some products you might not have worked with before. So this month, we are actually going to do some techniques using the Metallic Enamel Effects, which are so cool, right? Now, if you don't have these, it's okay. We are going to include one of the colors in your kit. So I am going to make the projects with each of the finishes so that you can see them. Now I also have an option for you to add on the additional 2 colors at retail price. So I cover that shipping and tax for you if you choose to do so, right? You can add on the bundle as well if you choose to do that. So it's really a great way to experience a stamp set, right? And sometimes you find out that you didn't think you wanted a stamp set, but then after you work with it, you're like, oh my God, I love it. This is my go-to. I'm going to use this all the time. And the reason we selected this one is because, well, it's so much fun, right? And we wanted to show you different ways to use some of those images versus just cakes, right? So wait till you see what I have in store for you. Now, down below in the video description, I've got a link to my website where you can check out more details on the program. There's also a video that shows you an example of a kit and how we package it so that you know what to expect each and every month. All right. Now, this month, because we are not using designer series paper, I know what? I use designer series paper all the time because I love it. It's the easy button to crafting, in my opinion. But since this month, we're going to focus really on these magnificent enamel effects, we're going to give you some other products in there that are going to make your crafting experience a little easier for you. I'm not giving away any secrets, right? Now, one thing you're going to notice about our projects is that we do the inside. So that's different from a lot of other kits that you see out there. So these are not dum-dum cards, right? Like they have a little bit of going on, but they're not too crazy hard, right? We want you to enjoy this crafting experience. We don't want you laboring for days over these projects, right? But we want them to have an extra little wow. And so we bring those designs to the inside because I think that adds such a special touch to it, right? All right, you want to see a peek? Let's do it. This is stunning. Can you see the awesomeness in the background there? Super cool. I'm not showing you any of the insides, right? That's exclusive for those that are joining us. And so I don't know if you can see all the coolness on this. So like I said, you're going to get one of the finishes in your project. Now, I'm not going to tell you what's inside here. So we also include, anytime something's a treat or a giftable, we include the gift, right? So your boxes are not empty or whatever it might be. It's not always a box, but they're not empty. You've got something good to put in there. And then this one, so you could see all that fantastic shimmer going on. Fun, fun stuff. And then you don't even have to make a cake if you don't want to, right? All kinds of goodness going on here, right? So you don't want to miss this one. Registration closes on November 20th or while supplies last. So we don't tell you exactly what's in your kit for a couple of reasons. One, we want you to be surprised and be excited when you open up your package. It's like Christmas every month. And second, it gives us a little bit of an opportunity to adjust as products are available or not available. Now, if this bundle sells out, we may have to close registration early. If you are already a current subscriber with me, I've got you covered. You'll be fine. But if you want to join us as a new subscriber, you want to do it sooner rather than later. I'd hate for you to miss out on all the fabulousness. Okay, ready? All right. Thanks so much for joining me, and I hope that you are going to join us for this month's Cultivated Creativity DIY Paper Crafting Kit. Bye for now, and see you soon.